Ever looked up at a rainbow and wondered if it could be more than just a beautiful arc of light and water? What if it was a bridge between worlds, a shimmering highway connecting realms beyond our wildest imagination? That's the kind of wonder that surrounds the Bifrost, the legendary rainbow bridge in Norse mythology. It's not just a pretty sight, it's the vital link between Midgard, the realm of humans, and Asgard, the celestial home of the gods. Imagine a highway made of pure light, strong enough for gods and armies to traverse, yet as breathtakingly beautiful as a natural wonder. But who could have conceived such a magnificent structure? Who is the architect behind this cosmic connection? The answer, like many things in Norse mythology, is deeply intertwined with the very fabric of the cosmos and the power of the gods themselves. While there isn't a single creator of the Bifrost named in the sagas in the same way a human architect designs a building, the Poetic Edda and the Prose Edda, our primary sources for Norse myths, offer clues. They consistently attribute the Bifrost's existence to the collective power and will of the gods, particularly Odin, the All-Father. Think about it. The Bifrost isn't just a physical bridge, it's a symbol of the divine order, the connection between the mortal and immortal realms. It embodies the power and majesty of the Aesir, the principal gods of Asgard. Its creation wouldn't be the work of a single entity but rather an inherent part of establishing and maintaining the cosmic structure. Consider the materials it's said to be made of: red for fire, blue for the sky, and green for vegetation, all fundamental elements of the Norse cosmos. This suggests that the Bifrost isn't just built, it's woven from the very essence of existence, a testament to the gods' dominion over these forces. Furthermore, Heimdall, the ever-vigilant guardian of the Bifrost, plays a crucial role in its narrative. Stationed at the bridge's end, Himinjorg, he watches for any threats to Asgard. His very existence is tied to the Bifrost's importance as a gateway and a point of defense. This close association reinforces the idea that the bridge is an integral part of the divine realm's infrastructure and security, overseen and maintained by the gods themselves. While no specific myth details a construction scene with divine beings hammering and forging the Bifrost, the sagas imply its existence as a fundamental aspect of the created world. It's as if the Bifrost was conceived alongside the realms themselves, a necessary artery connecting the different parts of the Norse cosmology. So, instead of picturing a single architect, envision the collective power of the gods, led by Odin, shaping the very fabric of reality to include this vital link. The Bifrost is a manifestation of their divine authority and their need to interact with and oversee the other realms. It's a testament to their power to command the elements and weave them into something both functional and awe-inspiring. Therefore, the answer to who created the Bifrost isn't a single name, but rather the combined might and vision of the Norse gods, a fundamental element of their divinely ordained cosmos. It stands as a shimmering testament to their power and the interconnectedness of all things within the Norse universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.